This smoky chickpea stew is warm, wintry and oh so easy to make. It's great if you're on a budget, made up of kitchen staples and just about anything can be thrown in. What's not to love? Start off by frying a large onion with a little salt. Add a splash of water and some fresh parsley stalks, saving the delicate leaves for later. Add 2 teaspoons of sweet smoked paprika and toast the spice for 1 or 2 minutes. This will add depth to the flavour. Add 2 tins of chickpeas and 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, then bring to the boil and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until reduced and thickened. When it's almost ready, chop the parsley leaves and add some grated lemon zest and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Divide between 4 bowls and serve with couscous or rice.